Okay, today we're doing a little bit of work on the 442 project that we showed you earlier in the video about all the projects going on. We're going to get the body off the frame and get it set on a body cart so that the chassis can go to the owner's house and get stored, because I just don't have enough room here to store all these parts of these cars. So I've got my helper. Say hi, Ashton.
Hi.
You helping me today? We moving the cars around? We've already moved the Mercedes out of the way, and we are getting ready to get the 442 in to the shop. Into the shop, that's right. We're going to bring it inside and put it on the lift and put it where? Where's it going to go?
Right here.
Over there?
No.
Where's it going to go? Where are we going to put the 442 at?
Here.
On the bench? No, we're going to put it on the lift, right?
Lift.
We're going to put it on the lift and put it where? Where's it going to go? Is it going to go up?
Up.
Going to go up. All right. So we're going to get to work on getting the car moved inside. Just the two of us, and we'll get it popped apart. Hey, back in the shop today after being away for a week. We're going to get started on the 442 project a little bit today. We've got to separate the body from the chassis so that I can send the body up and all the front end pieces to get sandblasted, media blasted, and see what we're dealing with on the work that was previously done on the car. I kind of don't like going over other people's work unless I know who did the work. So I kind of wanted to start fresh with this one to make sure that what we do is going to be done properly. There's not going to be anything hidden underneath, and that I know what I do is going to last longer than probably the owner will have the car. So what we're going to do is we've got to get the body. We're going to put the body on the lift and lift it up off the chassis, which will take probably all of 10 minutes because it's not even bolted to the chassis. It's just held on with some ratchet straps that were put on for transport down here from New Jersey to North Carolina. So that's what we're going to get into today. We're going to get this lifted off and put the body on a body cart. We're going to take the trunk lid off and get the seats out of it and make sure everything's ready to go. And tomorrow we're going to take this one up to the blast shop and we're going to pick up the 71 Challenger that's up there. It's all done and ready to come back so that we can get some epoxy primer put on that car and start ordering sheet metal for it. Alright, this morning we're going to get the 442 loaded up on the trailer and we're going to take it up to the blast shop that I use to clean up all my cars. And while we're up there, we're going to pick up the 71 Challenger that's been up there for a few months getting itself cleaned up and bring it back so we can evaluate everything that needs to be done as far as sheet metal repairs and rust repairs on that car. And we'll see what we got to do. It came out pretty nice, I was told. Fenders and doors cleaned up really nice, so we might be in pretty good shape with that car as far as what we're going to have to do to it. But for now, we're going to get this one here loaded up on the trailer. Got my trailer set up, and I got my buddy around here somewhere. Where'd you go, Ashton? You ready to go to work? Work? Yeah, we got to go to work, man. We got to get this car loaded. Are you ready? We're gonna pull it up on the trailer. No? All right. All right, so let's get going with this. I'm going to set the camera up on time lapse and let you watch me get something loaded, and we'll go up and take a ride up the road.